Good morning, everybody. It's day 3 in Las Vegas. It's morning time. Food first, everything else next. So this morning, we're gonna have breakfast right behind me at the Yardbird. That's right, it's the Yardbird, Southern Table and Bar. Sure to be delicious. They have a brunch offering this morning. That looks like a lunch menu. So they don't open till 11 o'clock, so we're gonna have to call it brunch, because it's not really breakfast. But here's a peek inside. That's where we're going. This is our first time here.
Welcome.
Thank you. Beautiful. All right. We are at the Yardbird for what we thought was brunch, but it's really lunch. They only have brunch on the weekends.
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, but it's okay.
Disappointed, yet we're going to be pleasantly surprised because we went with the signature dish.
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles. Chicken is brined for 20 hours, deep fried, bourbon maple syrup for the waffles.
Cheddar cheese waffles.
Cheddar cheese waffles, I think it comes with watermelon.
Spiced watermelon.
Pretty good, so we can't wait to eat it. You know, honey, if it's true what they say, that we are what we eat, then we should eat something good. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to attack this.
Clearly with little silver tongs.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I'll be happier when I get some food in my belly. This is a little baby breast.
I'll eat that wing.
This one?
Yeah, I'll start off with that wing, a little
You want watermelon?
waffle. Gotta try the watermelon.
Okay.
Make yourself a little goodie plate.
I'm gonna steal this big old breast, but I'm not gonna eat it all.
Do it.
Actually, I'm gonna leave it there and eat it off there.
Are you serious? Well,
Yes.
get into it.
All right, you got it.
This is a bourbon syrup in a Louisiana hot sauce.
All right. Thank you, Jesus, for this food.
Best chicken ever.
It's really good. I can't wait for you to try that.
All right, well, let me do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead here, how we do in Buffalo. We don't live in Buffalo. Buffalo wings. Donnie like wingy.
Tell me what wingy.
It's good. I'm gonna try that hot sauce too. Oh boy. Just a little dish. Just to let you know when we're at. Yeah, that makes it good.
Try the watermelon, love.
Watermelon.
The server just walked by singing watermelon. How is it?
It's different in a good way. I don't know what they put on it. Some kind of, I don't know. It's so good. Try it.
Okay.
Somewhat?
Some kind of, I think they said chili sauce.
Chili sauce? You wouldn't think of chili sauce on watermelon, but it works.
That's really good, but it's so different. I've never had anything like it.
All right, we're gonna eat some food.
All right. You want to try the waffle first? That way we can eat the rest of the food. Thank you.
Get it over with. Food. It's not something you get over with. Food is what you do first, and then you do everything else. Little bourbon syrup. I can feel it's crispy on the outside. Probably the best waffle you ever had. Really. You're gonna need that.
It has green stuff in it. Looks like
Well,
maybe
From the plate
green
to the
onions.
mouth.
That's different. You can definitely taste the bourbon in the syrup. The waffle itself is cooked really nicely. That's really good. It's more of a dinner than it is breakfast.
Yes.
It's more, what's the word I'm looking for?
Hearty.
Hearty. It's more hearty. All right.
All right,
Let's
we're gonna
my
eat.
love.
Okay, the Yardbird post lunch review. 4 thumbs up.
For sure. People come to Vegas for the experience like we just had. The food is like nothing you've ever tasted. The waffles were amazing, the chicken was phenomenal, and the watermelon was impeccable. Not my cup of tea, but very good and different. And that's why people come to Vegas to eat, is to have the different food. I don't know how this combination goes together, but it does it well.
Go to Yardbird and try the chicken and waffles. It is different, but it's different in a great way.
Great.
Because it's like a culinary dance in your mouth, and I liked it. Hey, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're enjoying the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You don't know how much that means to us, and we're gonna keep making these videos, and we're gonna keep making it happen.